Hi everyone, welcome to my channel STB Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is resistance. So what is resistance? Resistance is nothing but the phenomena of opposing the electric current in the circuit. So you can see resistance, you can see on the screen. So I am taking here. Okay, so resistance, what is the resistance? Normally when the electrons are flowing inside of the conductor, so there is some opposition will be there in our electric, in our household. So we need some of the current only. Okay, so if more number of current is passing, there is this resistors will help to stop some of the current, and remaining current it will be allowing. Okay, so like that resistors will be considered. So general definition also we can take: the substance which does not allow the electrons to pass through it, those are called insulators. Here resistors, only how much it is required it will stop, remaining it will allow. Okay, so the overall the final definition is: the substance which is used to oppose the electric current in the circuit is known as resistor. The phenomenon of, so here 2 points you have to remember. Point number one is resistance, and point number two is resistor. Okay, resistor. So resistance is the phenomena of opposing the electric current in the circuit. So resistance is the phenomena. Resistance is the phenomena. So resistor is a device. Resistor is a device. Be clear. Be very clear about it. Okay. So what are the factors depends on resistance? So what are the factors? Factors depends on resistance. Factors depends on resistance. Okay. So one is it depends on length of the conductor. R is directly proportional to length of the conductor. So length of the conductor is nothing but, you can see here. Okay. Yes. Length of the conductor. Yes. Okay. Fine. Length of the conductor. If it is length is more, then automatically resistance will be more. If length is less, resistance will be less. So it depends on length of the conductor. Okay, R is directly proportional to length of the conductor. R is inversely proportional to area of the conductor. Area of the conductor. So area of the cross section of the conductor. Okay. So then if area is less, area is less, more resistance will be there. Area is more, then less resistance will be there. So then you can see, if you take a hose pipe, okay, so normally water is coming out from it. So when you are applying a little pressure on it, then automatically, so area will be less, area will be decreases automatically. So resistance will be more. Means if you considering resistance is more, then area will be less. So you can take resistance will be more means area will be less. So upward direction more. So downward direction less. So you can take more here, and here it is less. The same thing if you take resistance will be less, then area will be more. Inversely proportional. So then you can take R is inversely proportional to area of the cross section. So R is directly proportional to L by A. R is directly proportional to L by A. You can see here. So R is directly proportional to L by A. So R equal to rho into L by A. R equal to rho into L by A. Yes or no? So what is rho? Rho is nothing but resistivity. Rho is the resistivity. Okay. So you can observe here. I am taking R equal to rho into L by A. Then rho is, what is this symbol? That is RHO, rho, resistivity. This is resistivity, resistivity, resistivity. Clear? R is a resistance, rho is a resistivity. So now you understood, right? So the factors depends on resistance. So R depends on length of the conductor, first point, and second point, R depends on area of the cross section of the conductor, and third point, R depends on temperature. If temperature rises, automatically resistance also increases. Okay, so R depends on temperature, and fourth one, R depends on material of the medium, material. So which conductor? It depends on a material of the conductor, material of the particular conductor. Okay, so these are the points. So these are the 4 points. Understood? Once again, you can see resistance. So here resistance. So once again, we will recall all the points. Resistance is the phenomenon of opposing the electric current in the circuit. Resistor is a device. Resistor is a device. Okay. Oh, done. So factors. Next one. What are the factor depends on resistance? One is length of the conductor. Another one is area of the cross section of the conductor. And so you can take R equal to rho into L by A. Rho is a resistivity. Rho is a resistivity. So R depends on length of the conductor, and R depends on area of the cross section, R depends on temperature, and R depends on material of the conductor. Okay. Next one, we can take one more, resistivity. I said resistivity, right? Resistivity. Okay. Resistivity. So what is that? R equal to rho into L by A. R equal to rho into L by A. So rho equal to RA into by L. So you can cross multiply, then you will get. So once again I will show. So R equal to rho into L by A, right? So you can now cross multiply like this. Then you will get, answer is this one. Okay. So rho equal to R into A by L. Rho equal to R into A by L, right? Clear? Understood? Then great. So now rho equal to R into A by L, right? So resistivity is nothing but resistance of a conductor of unit length of unit cross sectional area. Resistivity is nothing but resistance of a conductor of unit length and unit cross sectional area. That is resistivity, right? Then we can see R equal to rho into L by A, right? So now R equal to rho equal to R into A by L, R into A by L. So SI unit we have to find out. SI unit. What is SI unit? How to find out the SI unit? SI unit equal to R into, so you can take R equal, rho equal to R into A by L. So what is SI unit of resistance? So here we didn't discuss, right? Yes. What is the SI unit of resistance? SI unit of resistance is ohm. So here you can take, here I am writing SI unit of resistance is ohm. That is nothing but OHM, symbol is like that. This is symbol. Okay. So R, what is the SI unit of resistance? Ohm. Okay. So like that, here you can take SI unit of resistivity. SI unit of resistivity equal to ohm. Area, what is SI unit of area? Meter square. What is SI unit of length? Meter. Okay. So you can cancel meter, they can cancel. Then you will get ohm meter. SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. This is about resistance and resistivity. Now, so resistivity depends on, resistance depends on, we will learn. So resistivity depends on temperature and material of the medium. Temperature, material of the conductor also you can take, or nature of the conductor. Nature of the conductor. Okay. So temperature and nature of the conductor. So these are the two factors. The resistivity depends. The resistivity depends. So I hope you got to know. So this is about resistance and resistivity. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon.